Now question number 2. Write in figures 9 crores 87 lakh 301. Now see here, it is the tricky question. Here directly it is not given. So first of all you have to write about now 9 crores. So 9 will come in crores table. Here table already I have given crores, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores. So 9 crores, so 9 will come in crores column. Okay. Then 87 lakh. 80, here T comes, then 2 digit you have to follow. 80 matlab 80 will come here and 7 will come here. Right. Now here no 1000 is given, only 300 given. So in 1000 both the boxes or both the column of 1000 will be empty. So 300, so 3 will come in hundreds column. Then 1, so tens also not given, so this column will also will be empty. So here 1 will come. Now okay, the empty places you have to put 0. Now your answer is ready. You can write the answer 987000301. So like this you can solve the questions which are asked to write in figure or digits. Now our next topic is write in words. So how to write in words? There also you have to remember the same table. If you learn the table, it will be very much helpful for writing words, writing digits, as well as for place value too. Okay, so question is given here 5, 7, 8, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now this way you have to put the digits in the given box. So 5 will start from the back. So then first is 3, then second is 2, then 1, then 0, then 8, then 7, then 5. Here cross there is nothing. So whenever you write in the words, then you have to consider when tens is there, 10, then you have to consider 2 digits together. So here 5 and 7, so it is 57. And what is that? It is lakh. So 57 lakh. Right? Then thousands are how many thousands? 8 and here 0. So 80 thousands. 80 thousands. Then 100. How many hundred? 1. 100. Here also 10 come. Then 2 digits together. So 23. So it's very easy. You can write in words, but in both the things, in digits as well as word, you have to remember this table and write the digits which are given in question. Then accordingly to this way you can solve the question.
Stop.
Now another method to write in figure or digits. Suppose the question is like this: 90,000 900 and 99. Okay, so this is second method from word to figure or digit. So what you have to write? 90,000. So you can write in digits 90,000, 90,000. Okay, then 900. So 900 will you have to write like this. Then 99. Then 99. Then you have to add all the things. So 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 0 9, 9 plus 0 9. Here 0, here 9. So your answer is 90,999. 90,999. When you are writing in words, in digits, it will be very easy for you to get the answer instead of the table. Right? So this way you can solve many questions. I am giving you some questions you can write and you can comment. So exercise. $50 lakh 50,000, 59. Another question, 1 crores, 100, 1. Okay, these are for writing figures. These questions are for writing figures. Some other questions write in words. You have to write in words also. From third question we write in words like 2, 0, 5, 6, 8, 9, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, from arrow you have to write in words. I am writing here words also. Right, and here this is digits. So these two questions you have to write an answer and write in comment, so I can understand that how many of you have understood the things.